Hello friends, this is Amit, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. Here we have a short question based on pie charts. So let's quickly see a question. Okay, it shows three pie charts which denotes the imports, which shows the imports of different commodities, and for 3 fiscal year it has been given for 60-61, for 70-71 and 80-81, and the total amount of import is given in crores. That is for 60-61 year 1795 crore, for 70-71 year 1634 crore, and for 80-81 12549 crore. So this is the total amount which has been given, and further the amount of import is divided in degrees. That is, the total 360 degrees are there, so further it has been divided in degrees: 60, 31, 18 and 246, like this. That has been divided up. So this has been shown with different color, like consumer good has been shown with blue color, raw materials with red color, capital goods with green color, and others with purple color. So 3 fiscal years this data is given. Now the question says the value of import of capital goods during 1980-81. So capital goods is shown with which color? Red color, green color. So green color, this part is called consumer good, this green color part, right? Green section is consumer good. So they are saying that if we find out the total import value of consumer capital goods in 80-81, so by how much value it exceeded the value of total import in 60-61. So total import in 60-61 is how much? This is 1795 is the amount. This is the total import in 60-61. So the amount of import of consumer goods, capital goods in 80-81 is how much more, or that is how much more than the total amount of 60-61. This is the question. So how we should proceed with this question? What we need to do, first we will find out this section, that how much will be the amount of import for this capital goods, right? For 80-81 we'll find this value, and we will find this value difference with 1795 to get the answer. Okay, so this is very simple question. That is just you need to see the graph and you need to find the value, and then you need to find the difference. So we'll solve it. We'll see how to solve it. So for this finding out how much degree is given, this is given as 54 degree. So 54 out of how much? Out of 360 degree. So 54 out of 360, and the total amount is how much? 12,549. So we will cancel out this with 9 into 6 is 54, 9 into 4 is this 36, right? Then we can cancel out with 2 into 3, 2 into 2 and 0, right? So we can then we can cancel out this with we can cancel out, we can find first let it be 20 and we will just multiply it. So it will become 9 3 27, carry 2, right? 4 3 12 and 2 14, right? 1 5 and 3 15 or 1 16, carry 1 3 2 6 or 1 7 and 3 1 3. So this is, and below we have 20, so we can write it 2 into 10, right? Clear? So 10 we just have to place a decimal point, so we just cancel out with 2, so it will become 1, right? 178 and then 168 2, and then we have 3, and then we have 0.5, right? So 10 is left, so by cancelling 10 we just need to place a decimal point. So this became approximate how much? This have become approximate value is 1882, or we can write it 1882. Yeah, we can write it, this is approximate value of capital goods in 80-81, right? Capital goods in 80-81, this is coming out. Now the second thing is what we, by which value we need to find the difference? 1795. So we need to find the difference between these two values. So what is the difference between 1882 and 1795, right? So we need to subtract it. See, the best method is either you do it manually, or you can, what we can do, you can just consider this as approximate 1800, and then you can increase 5. For example, 1882, and the difference of 1882 with 1800 is how much? 82. See, this is a quick method, that 1800, so it is coming out to be 82. See, 5 is left, which we have increased, just increase 5 in it, so it will become 87, right? So this is coming out an approximate answer as 87. Or see the options, 87 crores, right? So this is the exceeded amount. So in option we can see all the approximate values are given, right? Out of which A is the approximate value that is rounded off to A, that is 85 crore. Approximate 85 crore has been exceeded. So option A is the correct one. Okay. Thank you everyone. In most of the question, we used to find the approximate values in these charts, right? Because these are very big values which is given in crores. Okay, except the answer is not given in decimal points, or if the answer is given in approximate values, so we always mark the approximate answer. Okay, thank you everyone.